How to fix Facebook professional mode followers not increase after 5,000 friends. So if you have not gained followers after 5,000, so what you need to do is first open up your Facebook application. Let me tell you one thing that if you've added 5,000 friends and if you're not being able to gain your followers, then it's because you've accepted everyone's friend request. So what you need to do is simply go with your friend request, and if you've uh, got any friend request, then what you need to do is just simply ignore them, or you can go with delete, because if you've added 5,000 friends, then you won't be able to add more because there's only the limit of 5,000. So what you need to do is simply go back and go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, and here you just need to simply go to followers and public content, and then choose who can follow me, and under that you need to choose public. And under settings, you just need to simply go with the switch to professional mode option, and you need to switch your account to a professional account. Once you switch your account to a professional account, then you will gain a lot more followers. So the main thing that you need to do to increase your followers after 5,000 is you just need to simply have a follow button on your profile, and just don't accept everyone's friend request, because if you've accepted the friend request, then they will be added as friends, and in Facebook you don't have the option to add more than 5,000 friends. So that's the reason, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.